Simple past information questions. Ms. Jones asked many questions when she interviewed Andrea for the new job. Where did you work? How long did you work there? When did you leave that job? Why did you leave that job? Notice all of the questions start with a question word. Where, how long, when, and why. To form an information question, put the question word in front. You already know how to ask a yes-no question in the past. Like this question, did you watch a movie last Friday? Yes, I did. To make the information question, we're going to change this did to a lowercase. We're going to get rid of that extra information and put the question word here in front. What did you watch? I watched a science fiction movie. Let's look at some examples. Did Vanessa travel last year? Yes, she did. This is the yes-no question. To make information questions, let's change the D to a lowercase, and now we can put question words in front. And we can make many questions with this one yes-no question. Where did Vanessa travel last year? Los Angeles. When did Vanessa travel last year? In September. Why did Vanessa travel last year? To visit a friend. How did Vanessa travel last year? By plane. Okay, you try. What is the correct word order to make an information question? Use these words. You know you have to start with the question word. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? I had 2 pieces of toast. What is the correct word order to make an information question? Start with the question word. When did they visit the museum? When did they visit the museum? They went last month. They saw the new exhibit. What is the correct word order? Why did Rob go to the hospital? Why did Rob go to the hospital? He broke his ankle when he went skiing last week. Last one. What is the correct word order? Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend? We went to the mountains and camped with some friends. Now you know. Just put the question word in front to turn a yes-no question into an information question. Did you work? Where did you work? Did you leave that job? Why did you leave that job?